This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Remove the wheel trim cover. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then raise the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Support the rear axle with a floor jack near the shock absorber to be removed. Warning: the jack must remain in this position until the shock absorber is reinstalled. Remove the shock absorber, lower mounting bolt and nut. Remove the shock absorber, upper mounting bolt. Remove the rear shock absorber. Guide the new rear shock absorber into the fender well and install the upper mounting bolt. Install the shock lower mounting bolt, washer, then nut. Tighten the shock upper mounting bolt to the specified torque setting. Raise the rear axle with the jack to simulate normal ride height, then tighten the lower mounting bolt and nut to the specified torque setting. Remove the floor jack. Repeat the procedure to replace the other rear shock absorber. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the wheel trim cover. Unblock the wheels.